We are going to get started with our writer's workshop. I'm very excited because you're going to get a chance to write your very own poem today. And we're going to be using some rhyming words. And I know that that's been the focus of our reader's workshop. And so I'm really excited for you to take a stab at writing your very first rhyming poem. Now, we learned that poets like to make rhyming words within their poems so they can sound a certain way. And so today our job is we're going to say, I can write a rhyming poem. And we are going to be using an AABB rhyming scheme, which is something that we have learned in our reader's workshop. That's where the end of two lines rhyme with one another, and then the next two lines rhyme with one another. And we're going to do this to try to make our poem sound really interesting. Now, before I show you my example and what you're going to be doing on Seesaw today, let's go over some expectations that I have for our assignment today. So expectation number one is I would love to see 3 stanzas with 4 lines in each stanza. And you're going to see that in my example that I provide to you. So that way you can practice doing an AA and a BB rhyming scheme in each of your stanzas. And I expect that you're checking your spelling and punctuation and trying to make your poem look like a poem. Maybe it's centered. Maybe it's inside of like a beautiful picture about springtime. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the paper that you're going to see in your Seesaw. So today you're going to be writing a poem about springtime. And I've given you some examples of rhyming words that you could use in your poem that have to do with springtime. And so I'm going to go over those rhyming words with you. So I have shower, flower, grow and glow, spring and bring, play and gray, bird heard, bunny funny, tree bee, cloud loud, sun fun run, blue new. Now, you don't have to use these rhyming words, but I thought that it could be a useful tool for you if you get stuck and need some rhyming words. So you're going to notice I've already gotten started on my poem, and I'm going to show you my thought process behind it. So here's my first stanza. So you're going to notice one stanza has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines in it, okay? And you're going to notice I highlighted the last word in the line to show my AABB rhyming scheme. So it says, I saw a bunny who looked quite funny. He was sniffing a flower, then started a rain shower. So we have bunny, funny, flower, shower. The poor bunny wanted to play, but it was too gray. He had to hide from a cloud and the thunder that was so loud. So again, play, gray are my AA, and cloud, loud, which are the BB rhyming scheme. So far I have 1 stanza and 2 stanzas. They're each 4 lines long, and the last word rhymes with the last word in the next line. So now I'm going to do another stanza. So I'm going to think, so I could say, then Bunny heard a chirping. I bet you know what's going to come next. It's going to rhyme with heard. Bird. And so we have heard and bird are the rhyming words in this one. So I'm going to highlight those for you to see. So heard and bird. Then I could say don't highlight that. Could say the sun came out and the bunny could run out and I got it, about. And we could highlight those as 2 rhyming words, out and about. And so if you notice first grade with our poem today, let's go over make sure I got my expectations. Did I write at least 3 stanzas? 1, 2, and 3. I did it. Did I write 4 lines in each stanza? 1, 2, 3, 4. I sure did. Did I use an AABB rhyming scheme? Let's check it. Bunny, funny, flower, shower, play, gray, cloud, loud, heard, bird, out, about. I did it. And I made sure to spell my words correctly and use punctuation where needed. So I did it. All my expectations. So today, you are going to see this exact same paper in your Seesaw account. It's going to be blank, though, at the bottom. Where my writing is, it's going to be blank because that's going to be your job. You can either type or write in Seesaw or print it out and write it and take a picture and then record yourself reading your poem out loud. Okay, first grade? So go ahead over to Seesaw, have some fun thinking of some rhyming words for a spring poem. Thanks.